In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can change font size on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Display. In it, scroll down again, tap on Font Size and Style, and swipe left or right on this font size slider in order to adjust it. You can see a preview above. Then click on the back button. As you can see, after that, size of my text has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!